Tom's broken platforms will have to get thrown away tomorrow.
No, no.
Tom's broken platforms will have to get thrown away tomorrow. Because they tomorrow.
No, no.
Because they broke. Tom's gonna have to buy some new ones.
No, no.
Tom's gonna have to buy some new ones. Tom don't got enough money to buy new. Tom don't got enough money to buy new ones. He's gonna have to wait. He's gonna have to wait till new ones.
No, no.
He's gonna have to wait till he gets more money. Hopefully soon he buys till he gets more money.
No, no.
Hopefully soon he